my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, for those of you that are in the know, welcome back, my darlings. We have a wonderful tutorial today because we are going to play with colored RAINE. Colored RAINE is one of my favorite brands ever, and because I'm filming much regularly, we are delving in. And the first one up, my darlings, is called Beauty Rust. Isn't this gorgeous? We're going to play with this as I already have it on my eyes. I'm going to go step by step. Yes, it is a talk through. We're also going to play with the blushes. Just look at how gorgeous this is. We have lashes, we have all kinds, lips and all. So I want you guys to sit back and enjoy this makeup tutorial. This episode is sponsored by London Loves Beauty, All Fabulosity. Go and check them out and see what they have. Use my discount code Fumi. Use my discount code also for colored RAINE. For those of you that don't know, we're going to have so much fun. So sit back, get your mocktails, get your cocktails, and let's play with makeup. So we're taking the Beauty Rust palette. So we're going to start with Dusk, this one. Yeah, very lightly because I don't want it to be, oh, it's pigmented. It is really pigmented. Oh, I'm gonna I just want to blow it out first and just put it in here. Such a gorgeous palette. Oh yes. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Exactly what I wanted. And I put it on the outside and below. Not all the way because I want to have this naked space in the center. We're going to bring it all the way up, 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 up. So it really brings up the eye. It's all about blending. It's already taking shape and you bring it all the way up to the brow, right up there. See? Then we're going to go in with Recharge. It's a really pretty color. Yeah. And we're gonna just go in on the sides. Oh, it's so pigmented. It's so pigmented. And just touch it on that side there. Just on the side, not necessarily in the middle. Just on the side, like so. Voila. All the way up. Lightly. Because it's really pigmented. So you got to be very light-handed. It's really pretty. Touch it all the way up. Super duper light. Yeah, just pat on the sides. And just go all the way up and go all the way down. See? Right up to the brow. And while I'm on the subject, guys, when I tell you Anastasia's brow freeze is a necessity, that is what I do for my brows now. 110%. Brow freeze, everything. Then remember the other day I did a tutorial using Laura Mercier. Changed my life. I have big pores. These shrunk them. And this, my darling, is the Pore Canvas Primer. Fantastic. These two, the Anastasia Brow Freeze and the primer, the Core Primer, the Canvas Primer by Laura Mercier. Heaven. Brava, chérie, brava. And then we're going to go with a flat brush and we're going to go in with the same color, not too much, and go underneath. Just stamp it. See, it's quite a lot. Just stamp it in there. Now we're going to go in with the shade Dream. Very lightly. Just grease it very lightly. This is the 131 Morphe brush. I use it in all of my tutorials. And just grease it very lightly. It's beautiful color. The color story in this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's a wonderful marriage of colors that you can wear alone and together. And that's what makes a palette. See, the tones and the undertones bring it together. Then, my darlings, the fun part. We are going to go in with a much smaller brush. This is Mama Mitchell's brushes. The eye set, it's a must. You should get this. And then go in very lightly. Just circle it around into dusk. It's a very deep pigmented color. And we are going to stamp this on the inside and the outside of the eye. Just to deepen it. Aha. Voila. See, and that just gives it much more personality. Keep on going upwards. Right there, stamp it in there. You also take it on the outside, lightly. It's my phone. It's right by me. And Paduski. Love of my life. Love of my life. We're gonna have a little base. Ooh. And we're going to mix that a little bit with Dream. And we're gonna put that in the center of the eye, okay? And just tap it. See? So you're just going to tap it all the way up. And it gives it that halo effect. So you just tap it, right? You go back in with the orange and just blend a little bit so that you don't have too much harsh lines, but the color is poppy on the sides. Do you see what I mean? You go in with Dream and put a little bit underneath the eye. A little bit underneath the eye. Isn't that gorgeous? Then we go in with JUVIAS, please. The blackest black. The blackest black I will ever have. And we're just going to take a touch just to deepen the eye just a little bit more, for a little bit more intensity. I live for it. Discount code on the two brands, Fumi. See? Just seals the deal. So, and just swirl it in there. Not too much, but enough to make a statement. And this is a lovely eye look that you guys can do. It's so pretty. And you put it in right there. See? And you sweep it over. And you do the same on the other edge. Put it right there. See? Not too much. Careful. Let it go in. And then take a clean brush without any product and blend it out. Just stomp it and blend it out. See? That's all that you need. That's all that you need. That's all that you need. And do the same in there too. Yeah? Voila. Bad Girl Bang Mascara is what we're using. I always use it. Always. It just works. It just works because the wand is so good. It gets my lower lashes. Nice, isn't it? Isn't it nice? Yes. And then I'm going to go in. I love these. These are the Icy Wifey lashes. I also have a discount code for you guys. Yep. Fumi. All my discount codes is always Fumi, no matter what. So let's add some Icy Wifey lashes. Love these. Love, love, love. So we have the lashes on. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? Like I said, I use Icy Wifey lashes for the simple reason that they're very wispy. So I like that kind of fluttery look. They can be light, so they're good for those of you that don't want anything super dramatic. I wanted drama today, so I went in with Bad and Bougie, and this is with Plastic Boy in collaboration with Isla. Love Isla, love his lashes. So I have the two of them on. Then remember the last episode when I did Mimi B lashes and she had the magnetic lashes and they had this beautiful lash applicator. I just used that and I squeezed that with my lash together, and voila, darlings, boom, 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 we're looking gorgeous. We're done with the eyes, and this beautiful rust palette is a must-have. Just look. Isn't it pretty? Love Colored Rain, love JUVIAS, please. These are some of the brands that are really fabulous for women of color. These two, you're good to go. Colored Rain also had a collaboration with Power. Yeah. And I want to try this red. What is the name of this highlighter blush duo? I don't even know whether they have it in stock. It's called Prove My Loyalty. Yes, Colored Rain, let me prove my loyalty to you. Okay, so let's just touch up a little bit because, you know, it could be pigmented, and it is. Just look at how beautiful this is. Let me just put a little bit on my temples. Pow. Yes. And because I'm filming much more regularly, I'm able to delve into my chest of goodies because there are so many releases back to back. So before you know it, you're not able to get to all of the products you wanted to share. Our Caucasian sisters have so many brands to spoil themselves with. So at least let's have Colored Rain and JUVIAS. Yeah. Okay, so we're going with a smaller brush. Let me just dab oily cheeks. And we're going in Colored Rain. This is gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? So we're going to sweep that in and see how that goes. Ooh, baby. Beautiful. Wow. I am always proud of myself when I have a code for you guys on products that are wow. Oh, beautiful. This was gorgeous. Setting spray by Fenty, and this is What You Do. Love this. Before I put my lip gloss. We are going to go in with Yoko. This is Yoko. This is the metallic. They've got the matte and the metallic. We're going to take the metallic. Yes. A chocolatey brown. We're going to pump up the volume. This is a lip gloss called Distro Colored Rain, and this is in collaboration with Power. I think it's discontinued, but we're going to touch up, put just a little bit in the center. Put some up here. So it's a metallic, and it is gorgeous. Huh? Let's put that on and see. And it's got a shift to it. So let's pump up the volume, my darlings. Oh, this is everything. This is absolutely everything. Ooh. I absolutely love this. This just feels so luxurious, so decadent, like a lovely dark chocolate. Yes, I feel like getting dressed and going out. But to where? But to where? But to where? Let this COVID end. I hope you enjoyed this episode, my sweets. I thoroughly enjoyed this. It was so much fun. I love the way it turned out. I love the fact that I can do this and give you options for you, especially my deep tone sisters, and you look so, so beautiful. I see a lot of girls bleaching their complexions and their skin tones, and it just breaks my heart because you're so beautiful. You have to find the beauty within you to see how gorgeous you are, and then you dress the rest up. Absolutely. I get a lot of skin brands that come up to me and they're like, oh, Fumi, would like you to push this. And the first thing I say is that, will it change my complexion? If it does, it's a no-no. It doesn't matter how much money you have and how badly I need it for the rent. I'm not going to negotiate my skin tone. I love it. And this just is one of the reasons why the fabulosity is beyond. It really is. It really, really is. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, my sweets, and I will see you later. Okay? All of my love.